Hello Saber fans. Today I just wanted to do a really quick review of the Ripper blades that I have in my collection. So of course Ripper blades and Ripper clones are a flat acrylic blade that will have kind of this etching in it, and it has a really cool effect with an in-hilt LED lightsaber. So the ones that I have are specifically the clones, and the real difference is that on the Ripper clone, you only have this etching. It's a little bit more simplistic, and it's only on one side of the blade. If I turn this around like this, you can kind of see how there's kind of a reflection of the etching on both sides. I'm sorry, on not just that one side. So actually, let's turn it on and take a look. So you see the reflection on the other side of the blade, like that. So as you're moving it around, it kind of does look like the lightning is crackling down the blade. But with a clone, it's only on one side, so you're not going to get that. On the full Ripper blades, which are a little bit more expensive, the etching is far more detailed. But for my purposes, I like to just get the Ripper clones. They're a little cheaper, and then I can just kind of do things like I sanded the outside edge of this just a little bit to give it a little bit more diffusion of the light. But I really like the look of this. And of course, this is a lightsaber that I modified. This is a katana wrap that I've made myself. I made this slanted emitter with this suba. This is actually my son's. He's really into anime and Japanese culture right now, and so he really wanted to have this more katana look. And this is actually the katana blade. The clone that I have for my saber, and here's another, I really liked doing the wrap on his, so I went ahead and did just the part wrap on mine. This is my RGB. Now what you'll notice on this is that it does have the black on the center of the blade. I originally ordered this as just a clear blade, like most of their blades are, but when we got his in, I decided I want to go ahead and experiment a little bit, and so I just put some electrical tape down the blade. And what I like about it is that it gives it a nice dark saber effect. Now, Ripper Blades does actually sell an onyx version of their sabers that does have this black on the inside. So, if you want to spend just a little bit more to get that effect, they do offer that. I wasn't sure if I wanted to kind of fully commit to a dark blade. I really do like the clear blade effect. And so by just putting some electrical tape on mine, I can, down the road, if I decide I really want it clear, I can just peel that right off. No harm, no foul. But one of the things that I like to do with this is, since this is an RGB, I like to just kind of toggle with the colors to make it look like it's vibrating. So I'm just kind of tapping that button. So if you have something like a lightsaber that has a pulse or an unstable blade effect, I think they will work really well. And in fact, the sabers that Ripper Blades and Ripper Clones do sell, their cosplay hilts do have that feature, at least as of the recording of this video. So you can definitely play around with that. But I just wanted to share the Ripper Blades that we have in our collection. I highly recommend them. They are certainly not for dueling, but for visual effect, they look awesome. Hope you guys enjoy.